This 2025 Grand Design Imagine XLS 17 MKE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 21 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, LP detector, refrigerator, slide-out, air conditioning, TV, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, oven, stovetop burner, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Imagine XLS 17 MKE is 4,674 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.